Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's go to the last slide number 15. In slide number 15, every sentence has two mistakes. Find the mistakes and correct them, or spot the mistakes and correct them. Sentence number 1. Lubna have 1 sister and 3 brothers. Let's find the mistakes. So the mistake, when we say Lubna, we don't say have, we say has. Because she has. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. So Lubna means she, a girl or a woman. So Lubna has 1 sister. No, 1 sister and 3 brothers. So the two mistakes are have and sisters. Let's go to number 2. David want to go into the United States. So the problem here with want. So with David it means he. And present simple he. So he wants. David wants. We don't say to go in to the United States, especially after want, so the verb is in the infinitive, to go. He wants to go, not to go in, to go. He wants to go, or David wants to go to the United States. Sorry. Number 3, I can to go at the beach today. So I can go, not to go, I can go. Because after can, the verb comes without to. Infinitive without to. And we don't say at the beach, to the beach, go to the beach. So I can go to the beach today. Number 4, I am 24 years old. So when we have apostrophe, we don't write a. So I am 24 years old. Not year old, years old. The last example, Tom and Bob is good friend. So we have plural form here, the verb in the plural and the noun in the plural. So Tom and Bob are, not is, good friends, not friend. So yeah, that's the end of this revision. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot of things.